Hi and welcome, I am here today with HOMTOM S9 Plus and I'll be showing you how to create folders in your home screen. So, let's say that I would like to create a folder with two applications in it, for example gallery and calendar. So, let's move them up to the center so it's easier to see. Simply tap on calendar and hold it until you can move it around. And then hover over the gallery and let go. As you can see, we have created an unnamed folder which has gallery and calendar inside. Now let's try with settings and music. Tap for example on settings until you can move it. Go over the music icon and let go. And we have created yet another unnamed folder with two applications inside. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed and that it helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe. Goodbye.